Hello and welcome to Tradeasy. My name is Jonathan and I am here to help you to navigate the Tradeasy platform. Tradeasy is the best, entirely automated trading platform on the market. It is offering every day to thousands of users an easier and safer way to preserve your crypto and grow your portfolio. Today I want to show you how to create an account and how to create an API key to connect your Tradeasy account to your account. First, create an account. Write an email and a password and click on the button Sign Up. Fill in the verification that you are not a bot and enter the security code that you received in your email. When it is done, go into the security menu and turn on your 2FA code. Download the application Google Authenticator on your phone and scan the QR code on your screen. Don't forget to save the passphrase of your 2FA code. If you lose your phone in the future, you won't be able to enter your account unless you buy another phone and put this code into your new phone. Now that this is done, we can create the API key. Go into the API menu and select API. Next, click on the Trade button and make sure that Withdraw is not ticked, so no one except you can withdraw money from your account. Then click the Confirm button. Click the Send Code button and enter the verification email you received in your email address. Do the same with your 2FA code. Great job! We are nearly done. Now we just need to copy the key and the secret key and enter them into your Tradeasy dashboard. Now that this is done, Tradeasy will show you how much is available on your account through the API key. You can now click on Start the bot. Select the plan you wish to use. Select the amount you want to trade. Tradeasy calculates your fees, and when you are happy with it, click on Proceed. You just need now to pay the amount given on the invoice by copying the address given and pasting it into your account. Make sure to pay the exact amount and the exact same currency that you have chosen on the invoice. If you chose a different type of currency than the one given in the invoice, your fund will be lost. As soon as the payment will be received, your trade will start very soon. Allow a few hours for the confirmation to happen. The bot will automatically select the pairs for you and start trading for you. You will be able to see the evolution of your trades directly on your account. Well, I hope that this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching. We hope that you will get a prosperous and exciting experience with us. See you in one of our next videos.